My name is Charles Williams. I am an installation/service tech here at HRCT since 2013. My job is to, as I said, install and service different equipments, from running the cable for fiber optics, Cat6, for your telephones, your computers, any of the other peripherals that you're going to have. And once everything's installed, I install it, program it, get it working, and then if something happens and something doesn't work, I'm one of the people who will come out to take a look at it, troubleshoot it and figure out what's wrong with it. Pretty much my day is come to work. After work, I do go to the gym, go home, get some food, and then just kind of hang out with my wife. We like to go to breweries and wineries, distilleries, and I've got 2 grown children, so I don't have to worry about not shuttling them around, so my days aren't as busy as they used to be. But it's just pretty much work and some home life balance. We take customer service very highly here. It's like one of our most important things. If you don't need something, I'm not gonna suggest you need something. We take our stuff seriously. When we do the job, we want to make sure we get in, do the job in a timely manner. When we're done, you shouldn't even know we were there. Like I said earlier, we're going to do the job right. We get with the customer, go, okay, what do you need where? What do you really want? If we're doing cameras, what are you trying to see in your cameras? What's your main objective here for this, and this? We like to sit down with you and just make sure we got whatever your plan is, and then use our expertise and then help you adjust to that. We try to go with a little bit extra step on something if the customer has an idea, but then he or she might miss something. It's just really, we just do our best to be the best we can.